If you use more than one Roblox account, switching between them is a quick and easy on both computers and mobile devices. Whether you're managing multiple profiles or sharing a device with someone else, Roblox lets you sign out and log into another account in just a few steps. And in this guide, you'll learn exactly how to switch Roblox accounts on your PC, iPhone, Android, and other devices. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the official Roblox website and log into your specific account. Now, once you have logged in, you need to go ahead and tap on this gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. There, you will see the option of log out, which is below the switch account option. You can log out and then log back in by entering the correct form of your username and password of another account that you want to log in. But if you've already logged in this browser or computer, you can go ahead and tap on switch account option and it will give you other options. And if not, you can tap on add account and then enter the correct form of your ID and password in those fields and log into your account. After you've entered the login information for other Roblox account you want to use, you can click on login and you'll be switched to that account. And for the phone, you can tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, scroll down to the bottom of the menu, tap on logout, and once logged out, you can enter the information for another account that you want to switch to and then sign into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.